1. 1989 Ford Ranger XLT 2950 Federal Way, Washington. The 1989 Ford Ranger XLT is a compact pickup with just 45,000 original miles. This one-owner truck features a rust-free, dent-free body with well-preserved silver paint. Powered by a 2.9-liter V6 engine and an automatic transmission with overdrive, it delivers dependable performance. The clean interior reflects meticulous care, making it an excellent choice for a low-mileage, reliable pickup. 2. 1984 Chevy S10 Restoration Gem, $5,000, Kingman, Arizona. This 1984 Chevy S10 is a classic ready for restoration. Equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it includes factory air conditioning, dual gas tanks, and an original AM/FM cassette player. While it hasn't run since early 2023 due to minor issues, its largely original condition makes it a promising project vehicle with great potential. 3. 1987 Chevy C20, $6,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. The 1987 Chevrolet C20 is a solid work truck with a 5.7-liter TBI engine and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Despite its salvage title, the vehicle runs well and the body is rust-free. With 35,000 miles rolled over, it's ideal for someone seeking a dependable truck or a base for restoration. 4. 1987 Jeep AMC Comanche Pick-up-by-4, $3,400, Yakima, Washington. This 1987 Jeep AMC Comanche is a rare 4x4 pickup with 141,000 miles. Powered by a 4.0-liter inline-6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it includes upgrades like a 1999 Jeep Wrangler transmission and a custom bumper that serves as an air tank. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts, this truck combines rugged capability with classic appeal. 5. 1986 Ford F250 Diesel, $1,400, Fairwoods, Washington. The 1986 Ford F250 Diesel offers a budget-friendly opportunity for restoration. Priced at $1,400, it features a clean title and an automatic transmission. While the odometer shows 17,000 miles, its actual usage may vary. Sold as is, this truck is a great project for diesel enthusiasts. 6. 1981 VW Rabbit Pickup Diesel, $4,500, Arvada, Colorado. The 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Pickup is a compact classic featuring a 1.6-liter diesel engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for its 40 mpg efficiency, it's a practical option for a restoration project or a daily driver. Though the odometer is broken, it runs well and offers a clean title. 7. 1988 Chevy S10, $1,800, Marengo, Iowa. This 1988 Chevy S10 is a 4WD pickup powered by a 2.8 V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It has received recent upgrades, including a new clutch and battery, but requires a head gasket replacement. Priced affordably, it's a solid option for someone with mechanical expertise. 8. 1985 Ford F250 XLT 4x4, $2,700, Tempe, Arizona. The 1985 Ford F250 XLT 4x4 is a classic truck with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. While the interior needs refurbishment, the truck runs great, offering a reliable option for those seeking a 4x4 vehicle for restoration or utility. 9. 1986 GMC Chevy S15 pickup, $1,695, Palmdale, California. This 1986 GMC Chevy S15 pickup features a clean title, a straight body, and 147,000 miles. Although it needs a fuel pump replacement to run, the engine starts with fuel fluid. With a well-maintained interior and custom upgrades, it's a strong candidate for restoration. (10) 1982 Chevy C10 Custom Deluxe Long Bed, $4,500, Denver, Colorado. The 1982 Chevy C10 Custom Deluxe is a durable long bed pickup with a 350 engine and a TH350 transmission. Previously a Wyoming ranch truck, it has 80,000 miles and typical rust for its age. A solid frame and reliable powertrain make it suitable for both restoration and work. (11) 1978 Ford F250 4x4, $9,600, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1978 Ford F250 4x4 is a robust classic with a 400 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent upgrades include a new clutch and transfer case seals. With 65,000 miles rolled over, it's an excellent option for off-road enthusiasts and collectors. (12) 1970 Ford Ranchero, $7,000. The 1970 Ford Ranchero is a unique blend of utility and style, featuring a rebuilt 302 V8 engine and a refreshed interior. While it requires paint and new door seals, its rust-free body and original trim make it an attractive classic for restoration or casual driving.